Upful and thankful, my people. Si.Nai TV station, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Upful and thankful, me say, to my subscribers, them. See, all who are follow Si.Nai TV station. Upful and thankful to them, my people, as me for telling you. But in a life, my people, see, more on start get rid of familiar spirit. See, people who have familiar spirit. See, you know, familiar yourself with them, you know, find yourself fascinated with some people. See, so you start disconnect, see, and try to free up at all time. Free up on yourself, my people. That's the great and almighty God who create heaven and earth and create us all. Can't enter in now, no. We need God to take over our life more, my people. More than physical ways of living, my people. Money and materialism and all them things there. You don't need to connect with the Most High God. Right now. See, and get rid of all familiar spirit. See, spirit of bad mind, bad negative thoughts and negative energies. A lot of negative energies around the people. Surround me. See, a lot of negative energy surround us, my people in life. All over the universe. Not only Jamaica. So you will find here live your life happily and goodly. And you find negative thoughts and negative energy that's come upon you. Try to get you down, deceive you. Don't make no negative thoughts and familiar spirit get you down in life, my people. See, a Si.Nai TV station, I'm talking not about true story or something based upon true story, my people. Because in the earth you can find mostly of them, the people them have some type of familiar spirit, have type of different way of thinking and ways of living within them. So you have to just get rid of them. See, free up on the spirit. See, and ask God to fix on the spirit. Ask God Almighty to enter and fix the right spirit within you. See, because sometimes the spirit them get contrary to all what go on in the earth. I don't want to talk too much, my people, because there is so much things to say, And that may I tell you, See, I don't want to talk out of proportion and talk one of them on my memory card. Yes, Empress, morning time. See, because sometimes the memory chip ups and down. So that's free on the spirit in the name of the true and living God. Whether Jesus the praise, Selassie, saying Allah, any name. Free up on the spirit, God. And make God get to work through in your life, Instead of you work through yourself within a family spirit, hold on one another. Bad mind your brother and your sister. Turn your back to your brother and your sister. Saying, the rat race life now run here with me, my people. Good over even, me say. Si.Nai TV station, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. I'm out. Yo. Manager, you see it?